Hello and welcome back. My name is Fred Lapola and I'm a librarian here at NYU Langone Health. And here I'm going to give you a more direct view of the NYU Langone Health AI Studio. As we mentioned in the previous video, we can see areas for our conversation, where to enter our prompts, as well as the options for adjusting the model, temperature, tokens, and system message. I've gone ahead and already copied over this de-identified after visit summary, providing information of some medications, and I might choose to use the AI Studio to extract information and make it a bit more readable. So we might, for example, consider providing a prompt to say, take the following information and extract medication names, put results in a table with medication name, dosage amount, dosage time, and cost. If information is missing, write NA, and then I'm going to put 3 quotation marks to let it know that this is where the text will begin. I'm just going to hit Command V, and we'll go ahead. Before I hit submit, I might then think, okay, perhaps for this I'll only need the 3.5 model. I'm fine leaving the temperature what it is. The output tokens I think should be fine, and I'll leave the system message at its default, and we can go ahead and hit submit. And here it provides that information in a table. In some cases it said estimate unavailable instead of the NA, but perhaps that's pulling directly from the text, and it seems to have done a pretty good job. We could also experiment with updating our system message, so we'll note in my prompt, at the beginning of the prompt, I provided the actual instructions. Here we might say something equivalent, saying you are an analyst summarizing medication information. Take a body of text, pull out medication names, dosage amounts, times of dosage, and cost, and put results in a table. Only pull information from the text provided. If information is missing, write an A. Now I can go to a different document. I can scroll to find the medication names, and it looks like they're all listed. Just to double check as we go down, here we've got the more in depth with the amounts, so we can pull this in. Just going to the bottom of this section of the medications, and Control C. Jumping back to the AI Studio. Now I'll just give it the text without the instructions, submit, and we see a similar response. A lot of this particular one had no cost listed, so those are all listing as NA. Time of dosage, NA. I'm actually a little bit happier with this result. And one last thing I'll note before concluding the video is that all of my queries are always saved over here under saved queries. So if I find a query that really works for me or for my team, it can always be helpful to jump right back in where we were before, not waste our own time trying to rediscover the prompt that worked. It can be helpful just to be aware that this is here as a feature. As always, if you have questions, please feel free to reach out to generative.ai@nyulangonehealth.org, and we'd be happy to discuss your project further. And thank you for your time.